The Sai Lung Yaolong Sports Club defeated the Luti Tuber Yailong Sports Club by a penalty shootout 5-4 yesterday at the final football match under 17 Independence Day Cup football tournament organised by West Jaintia Hills District Sports Association WJDSA in collaboration with the District Administration West Jaintia Hills District. The match was held at Kyangnangba Stadium and was witnessed by Jawai local MLA Wailadmiki Shilla as a chief guest in the presence of Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District Garod LNS Dykes, IAS, District Sports Officer West Jaintia Hills District Krubok Pasa, Working President WJDSA EMH Pasa and members from the association. Winner from this tournament will represent WJDSA by its sports club name at the Under-17 Football League tournament at the state level.